Alright, hello universe, welcome to Angels A and let's continue our topic with the colors. Actually, we're going to understand what is and how we can apply colors to different elements. And so I've already created the file for this because it's so basic. We just have to create one new file, and when we have to write the boilerplate, and inside body I have nothing but just one comment, and that is we are actually change the background of the whole website. Yes, we are going to change the background color of the website in order to understand how we can apply CSS values, the CSS color values in our website. So let's get started. So this is something that we have our body empty, and we have this thing body background color to be chocolate. Okay, so what we have to understand today is that there are a lot of ways in which you can apply colors to different CSS elements, different HTML elements. Okay, so for those we have to what I want you to do is that when you just a moment, when you write something like this, when you just do this, and it means when you write the background color, the key and not the value of this property, and scroll down to the suggestions you get, this is something that you should know, because this is the CSS color names. All right, this is the CSS color names, and which you need to know. You don't have to learn them, but at least you should know that there are a lot of CSS color styles that are there. So how you can, the one way to give colors, to apply colors, is that you can directly write the name of the color just like this. Let's say if I want to write coral, so if I save this and go on to my website, where is my website? Just a moment. Alright, it is getting opened. Okay, just a moment. What's happening? Okay. So this is the background color that has been applied onto the background, which was coral. So that the whole moral is that you have to use color names to write CSS, to apply CSS colors to the HTML elements. There are more ways, and we are going to learn them in the next video. So I'll see you then.